Okay, folks, I think I know what these are. I don't know what they were doing on the side of the footpath, why they were being thrown out on their own. It's a bit odd. Okay, let's see what these are. These are what they look like, folks. Egg holders for refrigerator. So they look like a refrigerator's egg holders, but I don't know, folks. It's an interesting piece. It's a bit mysterious, maybe, but a bit odd that if it's from a refrigerator, it just seems a bit odd that they threw this out without the refrigerator, or the refrigerator without that. Very strange. I don't know why. It's too big. Yeah, that's come up looking really quite interesting and blurry. I don't know if I like it. Now I'm starting to feel hot, but I don't have the fan in the hallway. I'm just wondering if maybe I'll just tough it out and just forget about it, because this demo session is already part way through and I can't be bothered just dragging the fan there and back. It's a real pain in the ass. This is when I wish I had air conditioning, folks, like ducted air conditioning. Wishful thoughts for a person living in social housing on a disability support pension and trying to eke out a living doing a job in a disability capacity in what's known as a Australian Disability Enterprise, or an ADE, and having all the mod cons is just a fucking dream. But it's better than being on the streets, I must say. Even though I'm disabled and I don't have a decent place in society. But, I'm trying to change things by focusing on my talent as a photocopier artist, and trying to get on the 6 o'clock news on Channel 9, which is proving more difficult than I thought, but I'm trying my best to leverage what I can do and try to ditch what I can't do, which is easier said than done, because I need Channel 9 to cooperate with me, otherwise I'll just sink. And that's come up looking really quite interesting. I think we can now call this, could I call it quits, or are we going to do a switcheroo, folks? We're doing a switcheroo, folks, because I might fucking won't forgive myself if this turns out better as a switcheroo. This is what's called a switcheroo, what I call a switcheroo, folks. I think this version looks better, actually, come to think of it, which is good. Yeah, that looks better. I think we can now call this demo quits.